name and badge number.
Miller 1582.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that for? What's that for? What's that for?
Don't
What are you doing?
touch
What are you
it,
doing?
bro.
What are you doing?
Don't touch it.
Bye-bye. Go away.
I'm asking for your name and badge number.
We don't have to give that. Bye-bye. Don't. What are you
What's your
doing?
name and badge number, dude?
Back off.
Go in your car.
Back off.
I'm escorting.
What's going on?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on?
Oh, what crime?
What's going on?
I asked you for your name and badge number. I didn't touch you.
No, you pulled your fist up at me.
No, I didn't.
You approached me. You were going to attack.
No, I wasn't. I was actually.
Okay, now you're under investigative detention. Okay? Now we're going to determine who you are and why you're approaching a police officer with a fist.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, it's all on video. You can complain all you want to.
Well, Mr. I told you to go back to your car.
I'm going to double lock these cuffs so they don't get any tighter.
Do you have any weapons on you we should know about, man? Any guns, drugs, knives, bombs, grenades?
Am I being detained for a crime?
Yes, you're being detained for investigative detention.
What's that?
It's called investigation. Do you know what investigation means?
About to murder.
It means we're going to investigate whether you did commit a crime.
Raising a fist could be.
Raising a fist and approaching an officer is a threatening manner.
No, I'm not.
That's called assault.
No, I didn't assault you.
Yeah, you did.